Hi, welcome to another episode of I was gonna say bookmas. Bookmas. So we have our calendar here. I hope it's a good one for 10. I hope it's where is 10 anyway? Oh, okay. Hopefully it's a good one, but we'll open that after. So that'll go there. We have 2 things to open today, so that's exciting. So let's open this one. Actually, this second one was supposed to come, it was a 2-day shipping. So it was supposed to come tomorrow. But then all of a sudden I get an email, it's up for delivery today. So the perks of living in a big city, huh? Yeah. Okay, so here it is. So this is something that I already had, but somehow we lost it. So yeah, and last year we didn't have it. And this year I wanted to have it. Oh no, that's the wrong one. It was this one. Oops, sorry. I didn't see what it is. Well, I know what it is, obviously. So I'm not even gonna watch it until Christmas. So I got National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It's the same thing that I had, the same cover. I had this exact copy. We had the case, and then we wanted to watch it 2 Christmases ago, and my dad opens it and he goes, "Oh, oops." I don't know what happened to the disc. So yeah, so and last year we were watching Home Alone and Home Alone 2. So this year we can watch Home Alone, and then we can watch this one. We can watch this one as well, which is a classic. So yeah. So I'm super excited for that one. And then the other thing I got is something that we can do for Christmas. Well, we can do the days leading up to Christmas. I got Coloring Book Cafe. Cozy Christmas Cute and Simple Coloring Book. How cute. And it's just easy. It's just easy and fun. I think this might have to be with crayons. So, Oh, I just broke my nail. I hate when that happens, and it just takes off like your whole nail almost. Oh, I hate when that happens. So, like the first one, this book belongs to, and we can color the wreath. And the first page is 30 plus free digital coloring pages. Thank you for choosing Coloring Book Cafe. Coloring Book Cafe, that's cute. Before embarking on your coloring journey, warm up your imagination with our curated thumbnails. Oh, how cute. So we'll have to put that in the thumbnail. Oh, and there's a few of them. Yeah, oh, there's a few of them, yeah. Okay, hold on. And then the first one is a little kitty. So I guess we have to color the thumbnails, huh? Okay, we'll do that. I hate when that happens. I have it here. Perfect. Hold on, because this is going to drive me nuts. Now, talk amongst yourself while I do this. Because, yeah. And then we'll fix that later. Okay. We got our coffee because we just woke up from a nap. So, okay, we just need that. So that we're gonna put in our bag to go. All right, let's get you down. Okay, and let's color. This is for adults and teens, featuring easy and bold Christmas designs. So let's color the wreath, shall we? Let's color the wreath with our crayons. I just thought I really needed a Christmas coloring book because I've been doing the Golden Girls, but I really wanted something Christmassy. So, and then when I go live on my main channel, we can color in this one. Because coloring is always fun. Oh, I never link my main channel in the description. Maybe I should start doing that. I'll do the candle. That looks like an advent candle. Oh, that's the kettle going up. Like that button goes up. That's what that was. That's Star the hamster. Oh, I'm gonna do the ribbon. Is there a red one in here? I think that's a red one. Pretty much every day we have an Amazon unboxing. I can't help it. I love shopping on Amazon, okay? I can't help that. I love Amazon. And if I don't finish it, I'll just take this up for Christmas and do that at Christmas. Oh, I think that's a green thing. But yeah, there's no way I'll finish this in like 2 weeks or whatever. 1 week, I don't know, however. Yeah, there's no way. So have you been watching Bookmas or Vlogmas? Let me know in the comments. Or if you don't have anything else to leave, you can always leave a Christmas emoji or a coloring emoji. Christmas and a coloring emoji. Yeah. Like a crayon emoji. That's what you should leave in the comments. Yes. Yes. I wanted to get this one. That's supposed to be green too, isn't it? Because isn't that part of the wreath? Like the garland thing? And then we'll make that brown, like a basket or something. Is that brown? Yes. Oh, perfect. Okay, perfect. We did that. We did our first coloring page. Woohoo! All right. So now we're gonna go up and we're gonna do our advent. And number 10 is a coffee. A coffee picture. Let's see. Hopefully it's not hopefully it's not another sticker. Like, oh my god. Like, okay, I like stickers, but come on. These things I keep are so hard. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, this is something good, I think. Okay. Oh, it's gift tags. This is gift tags. In the Rory to, oh, I'm the Rory to your Lorelai. I'm the Rory to your, I'm the Rory to your Lorelai gift tags. This is better. Yeah, I'm the Lorelai to your Rory. And this says, life's short, talk fast. So, okay, that was good. That was a little better than having another sticker. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I'm excited that we have this again. And I'm excited to color in a Christmas coloring book. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you tomorrow for day 11. Bye.